Okay, I think we're live. This is the very first video. Hello, I'm Petras. I live in Australia currently. Originally, I'm from Lithuania, and the purpose of this live streaming video is to encourage me continue learning Japanese. Today is my second day, day 2. And yesterday I spent probably 2 hours learning the hiragana. I'll be honest with you, I'm still finding very puzzling the whole Japanese writing system. I couldn't complain and shout and yell, but at the end of the day, that's what it is. And if I want to speak Japanese, understand, and maybe work one day there, this is what I have to go through. And yesterday I found a very good website that helps you to learn Japanese. I'm not affiliated with these people or this website, but I find it very helpful for one particular reason. At the moment, I'm learning the first alphabet is the hiragana, as it says here. And instead of trying to memorize all the alphabet that doesn't make much sense for us Europeans, because it doesn't follow the traditional alphabet A, B, C, D. They use this, I think it's called mnemonic type of learning, where you basically, each Japanese alphabet symbol has some sort of hidden meaning, and that's how you memorize it, and it helps in the memorization. And I'm gonna show you what happened after yesterday. Just 2 days before, I could read 0 Japanese characters, and bear in mind I can learn fast. I can adapt fast to the language if it's not too complicated. I only speak 2 languages in my life. I've listened to many Japanese videos because of anime and everything, but I've never ever was able to read a single character. And yesterday I started, and I made a little bit of progress, which I'm very proud of myself. And part of this reason this video I'm streaming is to have some sort of self-accountability. Maybe it will also encourage someone else to go and do it. So let's have a quick look at the website. So essentially, they start saying that hiragana has, God, how many characters it has. I'm still confused actually how many it has. I'm using this app. Eventually I'm gonna show it to you, but it says hiragana has 105 characters. Katakana has 105 as well. I might be wrong. I might be right. I don't know. But let's continue. The idea. Okay, so you have A letter. This is the A letter, and I'm sorry, from a Western country, I have no association whatsoever with this. But here's the catch: there's a hidden A inside. Makes a bit things easier. The next one, we have E. According to this website, it's like 2 eels, and it's like, oh, I probably can remember that. Next one is we have U. It's basically bend 90 degrees U. Again, maybe we can remember. And this website also has has sounds, so it's also helpful. But luckily, Japanese pronunciation is very straightforward, very easy. Why I find it, I think it's easier for us Europeans to learn Japanese rather than, for example, Chinese. I think it's next level in some sense. Okay, let's continue. So there's E. Honestly, I see nothing in E, but somehow I managed to memorize it because I think it's very unique. But based on this one, it's based on exotic bird. So okay, there's an E. Okay. This one is quite easy because it has 2 hidden O's, and that's what O is. And the catch after this website, they give you this quiz where you click on here, you select the first batch of alphabets from the manga, and you click start quiz, and now they come and test you like, oh, so you've learned 5, I think, consonants or how I call it. Sorry, I'm quite, English is not my first language, so I'm quite bad at this, but you're supposed to check yourself after this learning. So let's go quickly. That's gonna be O, that's gonna be A, that's E, that's U, and that's E. Remember, that's the yield. That's the 90 degrees bend U. That's E, the exotic bird. That's the hidden A, and that's double O. And it's correct. Okay. So I already did my morning learning. I spent about 1 hour, but I want to stream this, and next time I'm gonna start streaming and I'm actually gonna start learning, so you'll actually see me more struggling. You might even see struggling me in this video. Okay, next one. The K, the K column they call it. Again, only 5. This one is, I mean, you still have to memorize some things, but the imagination of the association really helps, I think. K is apparently with the wait 1 second. So for some reason they're associating with mosquito, and I see no relationship with Ka, but as soon as I recognize the mosquito, I somehow, my brain did associate it with K. So I don't know how the brain works actually in this one, but this is where you got Ka.
Ka.
This one is quite easy once you get used to it. This is literally the shape of the key, and it's usually the two sticking out points, that key, and if you memorize a couple of times, you will remember every single time, because it's quite a unique character in my opinion. So it's a key.
Ki.
Cool. Screaming bird. I just memorized that. Oh, it's a cool. I don't know. It worked for me.
Ku.
This one, sometimes I still actually forget it, and they're like wiggly kelp. I don't even know what kelp is actually, but probably something you eat and grows in the sea, I imagine. But I'm forcing myself to memorize this one particularly, because there's other characters or symbols that are start with the same first letter, and only the second part changes and gets confusing in some sense, but not impossible. So we have K.
Ke.
And these guys actually, they're like two worms that are cohabitating, kind of living, cohabitating, and once you get that down in your brain, it's Ko. It's always going to be Ko.
Ko.
Okay, let's go do the quiz. And personally, I always start with both, but in this case, you want to cement your new 5 letters. Very easy. The cohabitating worms. Ko. This is the key. Remember the key symbol. This is the difficult for me. It's the Ke. This is Ka. This is Ku, the yelling bird. Bingo. Perfect. If everything was so easy in life. Okay, we have the S column. You have Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. And as you can see, for me, there's very little association or logic how it's constructed. So yeah, but it is what it is. The first letter we have Sa, or sound. It's Sa.
Sa.
And they say it's like a salad or salsa making, and okay, maybe. The next one is the sheep. For me personally, it's like a hook, a sheep, like, you know, like where you're like training the sheep. And I think this is quite a distinct character in some sense. So you will start to recognize it because it's just unusual. It's an outlier I think so.
시,
The next one you have su. Is this one didn't really help me. I also again like kind of memorize in a sense, but because I spent a little extra minute memorizing it,
스,
I kind of understood like, oh, it's a swing, it's a su, and okay. Next one was, oh, this was quite funny. So this looks a little bit like a vampire with teeth and everything, and it's like se, maybe sucking blood, or okay, actually helps you to memorize it. Se.
세,
This is saw, and I think it's from soda drinking. So for some reason I memorized more like there's an S shape and it's a O, and I picked it up,
서,
but I might forget it. Okay, let's go to the exercise. So we have that su from the swing. We have, I forgot for a moment, we have se, the second vampire. We have she. We have saw, and obviously then this is gonna be su. Wait, I think this is su. Ah, it's sa. Okay, see, I'm still I pick at them up fast and I forget them even faster. So that's why I want to try doing this every morning. By the way, yes, I'm in my bed, and sorry, it's 9 a.m. here, and I want to do that first thing in the morning to learn Japanese. Okay, next one. That it's the T column. That, yeah, it's funny. It's T column, but we have chi. Not gonna ask why. Oh yeah, we have ta, chi, tsu, te, to. So the first one is tacos, I think, but for me, I actually can see the resemblance in like, oh, here's a T, and it's kind of like a broken A. That helps me to memorize it.
다,
Next one is the chi. It says like it's a cheese, chi, but for me, just I kind of like memorize again. This is chi, like quite distinct.
칠,
This one is quite easy because, like I said, it's a tsunami. So it's like a wave and a tsunami. Tsu. Good.
츠,
Let's keep it there. This one, you see that how the T is bent and it's like a telescope. Again, quite easy to have a memorization. I'm not saying you will memorize it from the first attempt, but if you look at it like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 5 times, and if you struggle, your brain will associate the letter with basically a visual image here.
대,
Next one is to. So you can see a little bit of similarity that this looks like a toenail, and I think that's maybe what they're trying to show.
도,
To. Okay, let's go to the quiz. That's though we just looked at it. That's a tsunami. Remember? That's G from cheese. That's to because it's like T and with an O. Wait, I'm wrong. Oh, sorry, that's a telescope. See, I'm still getting wrong. That's a telescope. I'm wrong. And that's probably by default ta, so I'm kind of cheating, but it's T and A, like makes sense. Okay, I got one wrong. Next one. So I have memorized this once yesterday, so I'm a bit cheating in this sense, but bear with me. You will see me struggling. So we have the N column. It's na, ni, nu, ne, no. Those ones are quite interesting. So I also see here like a cross and a nun, and then it makes it a bit easier. Oh, it's a na, na.
나,
Okay, it's a nun. I'll take that. This is like a needle, and it's a ni sound, and I started with memorizing the first symbol, which is just like a, looks kind of like a needle, and then I realized there are characters that has same starting, but the second part is different. So I started mixing them and confusing with each other. So I think I'll have to move on and mm, learn. I got distracted by messages. Guys, this is why it's important. If you want to learn probably something new, um, it's important to do it the first thing in the morning when you're like the least distracted. You haven't flooded your brain with like dopamine, adrenaline from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. What's your illness? At least in my case, no messages, don't read anything, no emails, nothing. Just wake up fresh. Don't even eat. Don't even take a shower. I'm sorry. Uh, and go just bombard your brain with this learning exercise, and try to reinforce it the next day again. Because the catch is, there was a phrase on this website saying that if you force your brain to struggle trying to memorize something, then your brain will filter out this, oh, this is something like we have to put in the long-term memory. Because this is a problem I have. Like I quickly understand it, like really quickly, and my brain just skips it, never puts in the long-term memory, and the next day I'm in square one. So we'll try reinforced learning. Okay, so coming back, this is the knee, and as I would say, if you're memorizing this one, start with knee, and remember there's a thread coming. So we'll see how we go.
に
This is quite interesting one. It's a noodle, and it's a nu,
ぬ
and you can see because it's like a noodle in a way. Like, but I also started picking up like I think there's similar characters. I find them similar, but this Y shape makes it distinct. Where like I remember, this is a nu.
ぬ
My favorite, Neko. It looks like a kitten. Apparently looks like a kitten. And once you've seen the kitten inside it, you'll never forget it.
ね
Nay. No, like a pig's nose. Again, once you've seen it, you cannot unsee it.
の
No. Okay, let's go try the exercise. The very first one, guys, this is a Neko. Ne. This is a nun. Na. This is the needle with the thread. Ni. This is a no. Noodles. This is a nose. No. Bingo. Okay, what do we have? Oh, so ha, he, hu, fu, he, the H column. I've only started learning this morning, and I've did it a couple of times, and I'm a bit shy because I would have to. I may fail. Okay, let's give it a go. So the first one we have ha. Okay, they're saying it's uppercase letter H with a lowercase a. Okay, I can see the resemblance. There's an H and an A, kind of like an H and an A.
は
The next one is he. I think I might be able to recognize it because it's a distinct character and single. A, he.
ひ
But the association would be he has a big nose. Okay, but for me, I think it might be just he. Oh god. Fool. So I fool from the fool. Dance like a fool. The way I see it is like I see it more like as a person maybe. That's the head, that's the body, that's the arms, and fool, and or maybe just a fool. I don't know. We'll see. We'll struggle. That's hair. Honestly, no idea how to associate it, but apparently it's with the mountain mountain St. Helens. So
へ
let's try it. Because we have the ku, the exotic bird. Now we have like a he. I'm gonna put like, I have so many notifications in the morning. So that's a he. And we go ho. Oh my god, the images are getting out of control. Ho 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 ho. In British English it sounds like a ho ho. See, we have the same starting letter. That's why I said like when it came to the knee. Oh, it's the same actually with ha. Okay, so there's a ha, makes the ha h a formation, and we have the knee, which is the needle, and then you got this character. That's why I said don't stick just with the first character, because it might be reused. I made that mistake yesterday. And now you have ho. Okay, I have no idea how to associate this one, to be honest. Okay, so it's on the left side. Okay, let's imagine that's a chimney. Mutated Santa Claus. Wow. 4 arms, a snake tail, and no head. Ho 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 ho. Okay. No idea how to associate this one. Mutated Santa Claus with no head. And saying ho ho ho. Honestly, I don't know how to.
ほ
I don't know how to remember this one. But let's give it a go. The H form. Okay, so I remember this one. This is the St. Helens. It's he. This is the he's with a big nose. That's a he. That is the laughing. No, that is the. That is the fool. That is the person's body, arms, and everything like a fool. This is like. Oh, actually, I do memorize now. This is the guy with the chimney and with the mutated Santa Claus with the no head and everything, and he's saying ho 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 ho. And then this we have ha, because this is like an H and a smaller A, and we got it. Yes. Oh god, even more motivated people. Before that, I'd like to actually do something and show you another application that I've been learning. I hope you can see it. So this is an application I've been learning since yesterday, as you can see. It's called Maru Japanese. I'm not affiliated with them, but it helped me. I find it quite good and it's funny.
切って
No idea.
午前9時33分
Nope. But it only has hiragana and katakana, but that's all I need for the time being. As you can see, I already started learning quite a few characters since yesterday, and it has quite a few of them. And yes, I am freaking out how many there are different signs, but let's not give up. Let's take one step at a time. So I learned 6 columns or 6 rows of different hiragana gojuyon. I don't even know what that is. Too much to read. But let's choose now.
いあかきうえおこけくしたちつてとのねぬにな
And
はひふへほ
okay, let's try to learn them in live streaming. And I might fail, I might succeed. Okay, he, the guy with the big nose. But at the same time, what I'm trying to do is actually, wait, can I draw? Can I? Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm not trying to find just the winner. I'm also trying to say out loud all the other characters if I can. The first one is the looks like a 5 with a chi. The right one is the St. Helens Mountain. It's he. So chi, he, ha, he, fu. I forgot something with K. Ko maybe. But anyway, the correct answer is he.
He.
It's a ni. Yeah. Sometimes the letters look a little bit different, but okay. That's a chi.
Te. Hi. He. Tsu. To. Chi.
It's the last one.
Chi. Hi.
It's the first one.
Hi. Fune.
Fune. So I already know the answer because it's the man with the neko. See this one. Let's try reading the other ones out loud. That's a nun, and that's a ni. I remember now. So that is nani. I think that's in Japanese means what. This is neko, cat. This is eki. I forgot what is eki. Eki. So you're supposed to struggle maybe for at least 5 seconds until you give up. Eki. Not station, not police. Okay, I got a fish memory. This is ichi. So I think that's 1. This is hachi. Hachi 7 or 8, I don't know. Okay, but the answer.
Fune.
This is the answer.
Fune.
Okay. See, it was correct ship. So this is what? Cat. Oh.
Eki.
Eki is a station. I think I said station, maybe.
1.
1 and
8.
8. Okay. Anyway.
Fune.
The point is, A, you want to struggle, so you're sending a signal to your brain like, this is more important than your average TikTok 3-second video about nothing that just increases your dopamine. This is actually important for your survival. So my brain, please put this material in the long term. I wish there was a button where you can, just click it and like it memorizes. I think that's okay. I remember the last one. It's so before we hear the sounds, let's try to pronounce it ourselves first. I know the very ending is na. It's the praying nun with the cross. The second is the mosquito, so it's ka, so it's kana, and the first one is it's probably sakana. I think sakana.
警察。魚。
See, we got the right one, sakana.
魚。
Boom, shakalaka. That's ha, because you remember the first one that's used everywhere, and we have the large H with an A.
How to buy fractional shares with as little as $1. Get the Trading 212 app and find your favorite company. Then tap buy and select any amount you want to invest. Send your order and you're done.
I didn't get
Start now with Trading 212 and zero commission.
That maybe triggered, I don't know. Okay, let's continue. Oh, actually, I did get a mistake. Why did I get a mistake? Oh, because it was the mutated headless Santa Claus. I actually did get a mistake. Okay, that's he.
ひ
That's the St. Helens Mountains. He.
へへふ
Okay, it's this one, but let's pronounce the other ones. So this is the ho, so, he. This is not. Oh, this is two. I think tsunami. Two. I think so. I might be wrong. If this is ho, this is ha. This is fu.
ふふ
Yeah. So, oh, I actually got it wrong. It's not su.
U.
It's u. And this is
は
ha. Okay, this is sa. If I remember.
かしそすふさ
It's the last one. Sa.
さ
Okay, so I got few right. Let's do it again. So the first one is ha, so, ne, ho, su, to. Remember, this is the toenail. This is the swinging guy. This is the headless mutated Santa Claus. Gotta remember that. This is the neko, kitten. This is saw, like SS with an O. I don't know, I picked it up. And this is ha, because it's like H and an A at the bottom.
は
See? I think they're right.
そ
So easy, this one, but let's go through the other ones. This is, I mean, it looks like a, oh God, I forgot. Okay, this is no, ho, so, ko. Remember the worms. This is the vampire with se, and this is, remember, struggle. It's not sa. It's not te. It's na. I think it's na. Because it's, no. Is it? No, it's ta. It's like a T with a broken A. Yeah.
そ
Yes, it
So-
was ta. That's easy. It's a fool because somehow actually I see like a human snowman something and it's fool. I don't know how the association happened.
ふ
That's u.
すおうう
That's a nana. Nana u. Except there's no. No, it's nana tsu. So the first two is the praying nuns, nana, and this is the tsu, tsunami.
7つ
Yes, which is 7. This is A and O, ao.
お金タコ
Remember, the first one it has like a hidden A, and the next one has double O.
いい青
Ao,
青
blue, like my eyes. This is the Ho, because it's like a headless Santa with that's laughing ho ho ho.
ほ
That's U.
と
No, I'm wrong. Oh god, I'm confusing U with Tsu.
つつ
Yes, it's a tsunami. Tsunami with no hat. The U is with a hat. Heta. Okay, haven't seen this one. So the first one is, this is su. This is so. This is no. This is the mosquito. So it's ka, neko, ho, ko, tsu, he, no, a, ta, fu. Okay, they're not gonna show us which one is the right, but I'm still doing them. So it's heta. Wait, which one is he? Wait, is there he? Yeah, it's in Helen Mountain. And it's the broken TA.
下手
Bad at. No, I'm good at it.
こ とへえへ
He, the St. Helens Mountain.
へ
Good. So we got this one. So let's
は
try
ひふ
to
へほ
memorize the 5 last ones again. It's the St. Helens. Yes.
へ
Oh, I should have spoken out loud the other ones, but I didn't. So this is the Fool, the Snowman.
ふは
Ha. So the first one is Ka. Ha. This is the correct answer. This is the. I forgot this again. It's not. It's not Ni. Is it K? This is okay. Yeah, my head is like now. This is U. This is He. This is He. Okay. I think my brain just had like a shutdown for 5 seconds.
は
This is the Ha answer.
は
Okay, so this is Ke. I was in the right direction. This is Sa, which I forgot. Which is like a salad, salsa, but doesn't look like one. This is Ha.
は
The same one, we just had it. So it's Ha. I should
は
have spoken those ones, but I forgot again.
へ
Hey, I got it right.
へ
Oh, remember the mutated Santa Claus. Oh, this is he, no, ke, to, ha, and ho.
ほ
Ha, to. Okay. Remember the first one is habitating worms. Ko, so, e. This is actually ho, the right answer. This is ha. This is e.
ほ
Okay. Fu, the snowman. Somehow I see a snowman. Su, no, ha, chi, cheese, and ho.
ほほ
So the answer is this one, but we're gonna go with a, ah. I pronounce it as English a, but it's ah. This is ha, fu, ho, ko, and telescope te.
ほほ
We got it. Okay, beautiful. I'm getting hungry because it's 10 a.m. I know I'll have a phone call soon, so I'll be distracted. I'm sorry thinking about it. But let's try learning a new row. And you can see me. No, before I start to learn the new one, actually it's useful to go to learn the associations first, as you can see. Otherwise you're looking at the symbols and like apologies. So we have the M column. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. This is gonna be fun. Okay, we got another headless spinal lizard or snake. So it's ma, and the association is removing your head. What? So it's magic. Okay, so it's a magic symbol. Okay, what sort of evil magic is this? What makes it weirder is that your mama is the one doing this magic. Imagine your mom looking like this I'm not sure I'm gonna associate that way, but I did pick up. Oh, it's magic symbol. It's ma. I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
ま、
Next one is FYI, this is the first time I'm seeing this. Okay, not the first time I'm seeing these symbols, but the first time I'm trying to recognize, memorize, learn them. Next one is me.
み、
Me is okay, and ah, like a number 21, or who just hit the blackjack? Me, who just turned 21 as well? Me. But there's also, wait, sorry, I was looking at the wrong one. I find this website a bit confusing. Like, where should I be looking? Top or the bottom? So it looks like 21, and who won the blackjack? Me. It's me. So this is supposed to be M. This is supposed to be E or 21. Okay,
み、
let's go with that. Remember, this is the magic ruin Ma. This is the 21 me. This is the moo cow. Looks funny. I think it's easier to memorize it. Says moo and
む、
moo. I don't know how it looks like a cow, but maybe because those are like kind of horns, and this is probably the ring in the nose, maybe, and that's the tail. Looks more like a duck for me, but okay, let's stick it with a cow. Man, looks like a eye.
め、
Look at that beautiful eye. It's so beautiful because of the makeup on it. Gotta look pretty in the eyes, or else your ensemble will just be meh. Okay, I can see the eye because it has the eyelashes. But this also reminds me of the noodles. But maybe it will be distinct. I'm trying to recognize now. I think the new noodles has this like an O at the bottom, while this meh only has eyelashes.
め、
Last but not least, look. Oh God, this is just more
も、
worms. More worms. You want to catch more, so you add more worms to your hook. I like how they're trying to associate. I really give 10 points to Tofugu. Okay, so this is more worms. Let's go with that. And it's called more.
も、
Let's go and pick up the ma symbols. Oh God, this is the magic ruin. I remember. This is the eyelashes, so it's me. This is more worms. More. Actually, pick it up. Okay, I don't freaking recognize this one. This is the 21. Who won the? It's me who won. And the last one it's the moo. It's the cow. Woo! Wow. Actually, pick it up. Nice. Approved. Okay, let's try now going back to the app. And I will try to memorize.
ま、み、む、め、も、
Okay, let's try learning
Me.
the 5 words. This is the 21. This is the who won the jackpot? Me.
と、ひ、き、め、も、み、
Me.
み、
Bingo. And the other way around. This is the one. Looks like 21. Me. It worked.
み、
More. So more.
8、犬、口、
Remember, this is the worm that's saying, give us more worm.
秋、何、桃、
Momo.
桃、
Momo. Thai. I think this is your leg part.
み
Me, it's the 21. Yeah, I won the jackpot. This is the so. This is ma, he, mu, and this is se, the second one part, and
み
me.
み
So ma, he, mu, se. Me, this is ku, the exotic bird that screams. This is ma, the magic ruin, for me at least. Somehow resembled it with a game. This is the eyelashes, so it's me. I think it's me. This is the second one per se. This is a. This is the praying nun, so na. So me is this one, me.
め
I think so. I got it right. Okay, this is the eyelashes, so it's me, me.
えめ
This is the second.
め
This is the 21 jackpot, and it's Mimi.
耳
It's called ear. Okay, Mimi. You have big Mimi. Okay, Mimi. Okay means big. This is the hook. Give us more worms. It's mo.
ねのせも
Mo.
も
Moo. It's the cow. Where's the cow? This is the cow. This is the ruin ma. Me. Ne from the kitten. He, the big nose. He has a big nose. I don't. This is the moo, cow, and this is nod for the pig nose. And this is the moo.
む
This is ma.
ま
And I think I learned most of them
Ma.
quite well. Let's do it again.
む
Moo. Where's the cow here? So this is su. Nu for noodles. This is o, double o. This is tsu. Remember, it's a wave, only a wave, tsunami. This is me from the jackpot. This is mu, the cow.
む
Su, nu, o, tsu, me. Me. So this is more worms. Ne from a cat. This is the eyelashes. I. It's me. Telescope. Te. Wait. This is me. 21. And a. And this is me.
め
Mo, ne, te, I, et. Okay. Mo. Mo. So okay. Chi. Mo. That's correct answer. This is the headless Santa that says ho ho ho. Almost forgot for a moment. No. The nose pig. Pig's nose. This is the praying nun. Na. This is the magic ruin ma. So we need more.
も
This is the 21 Mimi.
箱へた5つタコ耳
Mimi.
耳
Ear. I forgot actually that already. That's the eyelash, which is me.
め
This is the more worms.
も
Ma, this is the ancient ruin. Okay, this one is the ha, ma, mu, I, ke, fu.
ま
I clicked the wrong one.
耳 耳
Mimi. So we're looking at 21. one. And but let's pronounce other ones as well. Se, chi, u, mo, tsu, mi, no, me, ki, sa, maybe, ku, and ha. And I just remove all of them.
耳
And we have Mimi 2121,
耳
which is the year. Let's not forget that. Momo, 2 cows. No, I'm wrong. Momo, 2 worms. This is Kuma. Kuma. Yeah, the exotic. I think it's Kuma. Yeah. This is Ie. And I think it means a house. Ie. Because the first one is like two eels. E. Then it's the unusual E, which is like I think exotic beer or something like that. E. This one is Hako. Because first is the H with the A at the bottom, and cohabitating worms. So Hako. This is the unusual she with she-o. I might be wrong. She-o. She-o. Might be wrong. This is Heta, because it's the St. Helens Mountain and Ta. So this is Momo.
桃熊
Kuma bear. So it was
熊
correct.
家
Yeah, house. Okay.
箱
Hako box.
塩
Shio salt.
下手
Bad at. Okay. Me. And we have the needle. So this is ni. Remember, it's a needle with a thread. We have me with the eyelashes. We have me, the 21, which is the correct answer. We have tsunami, tsu. We have he has a big nose. We have she, and I just remember this she because I have a friend whose name is Shinai, so I associate it with that. And going back, me is this one.
み
Okay, we got. Okay, let's go with all 35s. I think this is gonna be random.
た
Yeah, this is ta. Lucky.
た
Moo, the cow.
む
Aka. The first is the hidden A, and then it has a mosquito ka. So, aka.
赤
Ko. So, okay, the first one is the noodles. This is nu. This is ko, cohabitating worms, which is correct. This is ki. I think this is. Oh man, I keep forgetting this one. Sorry. This is. Remember, struggle for 5-10 seconds at least. I think this is. It's the mosquito. It's the ka. I can't associate the ka with mosquito in this one. I don't know. This is more worms. Double O, and this is a ka again, and ko is this one.
こ
And no ki mo. Okay. The next one is praying nun. Nani. It's Nani.
何
What?
さ
Sa. Okay, let's go with this one. First, this is. I mixed this with ka. I think this is sa. I might be wrong, but I think this is sa. This is mo, ka, so, ku, i. So this is sa.
さ
Yes. We got ma, the ancient ruin. Easy. I'm probably gonna suffer in the future because of this association, but for now, let's go. So we have na, praying nun. We have mu, the cow. Actually, can see the cow in this one. We have me, 21, who won the jackpot. Me. We have Ma, ancient ruin. He has a big nose. He. And Chi. Cheese. So Ma is this one.
ます。
So this is the answer. Don't ask me. I just memorize it. This is so ku, su, so, tsu, te. Remember telescope and mo.
す。
So
す。
ku, su, so, tsu, te, mo. Yeah. Fune. So we're looking at fu and ne. So we're looking for a snowman and a cat. Can you see that? It's here one. But the other ones are eki, because this is an e and a ki. Next one is the headless Santa Claus that's laughing ho ho ho, and then it's Hoshi. I think this is Hoshi. This is Shio. I already forgot what the guy said. Shio. This is Hoshi. I don't remember what's Hoshi actually. Eki. I want to say Eki Ki, but it's not. Eki is the Eki is station. Hoshi. I forgot. Shio. No, it resembles. Hitotsu. No, yeah, Hitotsu. He. That's a nose. To. Tsu. Hitotsu. No idea. This is our Fune. I don't know what that means. And this is Kao.
船。駅。
Station, I got it right.
星。星。
Hoshi
Hoshi.
star. I do not remember that part.
塩。
Shio, salt.
塩。一つ。一つ。一つ。
Hitotsu, one, but it's count.
船。
Fune, ship.
顔。
Kao. Kao. Okay. This is Natsu.
夏。
Summer. Easy to remember. Okay, that's gonna be the next row. I'm getting a bit tiring. I think I'm using all my brain in the morning just for this. Let's go back to the quiz and let's try to select first the ma again. This is the eyelashes meh. This is the cow moo. This is the ancient rune ma. This is the me. This is the more worms. Yes. Now let's try to do all of them because we need all of them. I'm choosing already. I think I'm gonna do 35 characters. So I'm on day 2. I'm already memorizing 35 symbols, characters, you name it. I'm quite proud of myself. This is the mosquito, Ka. This is the snowman, Fu. This is the ancient rune, Ma. This is the eyelashes, Me. And I got it wrong. Sorry. This is new noodles. See? This is the O. This is the telescope, Te. This is the St. Helens Mountain, He. This is U. This is the eyelashes, Me. This is A. You remember the hidden A. This is the Ku, the exotic bird screaming. This is the needle with a thread, Ni. This is Neko, the cat. This is Su. This is the exotic bird, E. This is the nose big, No. This is he has a big nose, He. This is the E. 2 eels, like I don't know what they're doing. This is the 21 me. This is the ha. Remember, there's a H and a small a. This is the more worms, more. This is the headless Santa Claus, mutated Santa Claus, and laughing ho ho ho. Cheese, chi. Tsu, tsunami. Remember the wave. Praying nan, na. She. I have a friend who's Shanai, so sorry Shanai. This is gonna be sa from the salsa salad. I am struggling with this one. Cohabiting worms. Cool. Whatever helps you. This is K, if I remember. Toe, the toenail with the, I don't know, nail in it. Saw. Remember, saw and all. Wait. Again, my brain just went into shutdown. So I did like 31 in a row, few mistakes, and like 30th second is like shut down. I remember this one. Se, the sexy vampire. Yes, the sexy vampire. Mu, the cow. The key. And ta, ta. Yes, it's a ta. It's like T and a broken A. And I wish I had a perfect score, but I do not have a perfect score. So this is day 2. I'm gonna say this a day 1, but because I have to start a video with day 2, but so why I'm doing this video again, it's because this forces me to be more accountable towards learning a new language, Japanese. Personally, I'm not gifted for languages. I may pick them up quickly, fast, probably because of the nature of the industry of work. I work as a software developer, so I have to learn things quickly and learn new things. But we also tend to forget them very quickly as well, because we only need the knowledge for the time being. The language is something that you have to pretty much, remember it for a long time, otherwise it's unusable. This is the first video I did live streaming. I did almost zero preparation. I knew how to set up the OBS, YouTube, so I didn't spend too much time, because if it's something you're gonna do, you want to have the least resistant path. For my case, it was out of my bed, no shower, no food, no drink. I made a decision to try making a video yesterday, but at first I thought I'm gonna do the videos, record them, edit them, which then I realized the editing part will take forever. Streaming is more easier, but at the same time more challenging, because people might be looking at you and you become more self-conscious. So I know this is not a high-end video, but this is for people who are just normal average day people who want to learn something, and maybe self-streaming is not a bad thing. I'm finishing the video. Probably no one's gonna see this video, but for me this was let's say day 1.